Hello guys, my name is Dan, and today I will show you how to make a links using HTML5, how to code links like external link or your web page link. So in the previous tutorial, if you haven't watched my previous tutorial how to build a website, there is an info. I will provide my previous tutorial on the info card. Make sure you check it. And anyway, so without further ado, let's code, shall we? So use Atom. Always use Atom editor, but you can use any editor. You can use Notepad. I don't recommend you use Notepad, but you can use other editor such as Visual Studio Code and Visual Studio 2019. Any other text editor out there. Okay, so here we are. Um, we all know that you have to create new file to, you know, made a new website, but whatever. Okay, to create your HTML5, you select new and you select before you code, you save it first. Save, create new folder. Name your project index.html. Always name your project index.html, your home page. Okay, index.html. Save it. After that, we type HTML. There we go. Okay, so here the title. And this will be your body, so the head. And if you want to add like an icon, like here we save it. Hold on, let me. Okay, so here our folder. If we open up index.html, we will see this title. So if you want to add like an icon, like you can. Here I might copy and paste this picture to our project folder. So okay, I'm gonna copy paste the name and below title. Okay, below title favicon. Just paste out your favicon name. So save it. Once we refresh it, whoops, that will be a problem. We will deal with that later. So okay, so just type href oh I mean a. Okay, so just type the word a and the search and the suggester will suggest you. So this is the link tag. Okay, and you put like a website link, external website link. So if you, for example, if your website featured like YouTube, external link www.youtube.com. Okay, so will be the link and this will be the name YouTube. Once you save it, we go ahead and run our project. So here we see a link. Oh, I'm sorry, made a mistake. You have to paste a full link. Okay, made a mistake, sorry about that. There we go. You have to paste the URL though, but whatever. Okay, so what if you want to open the website in the new tab? So I will show you how to do it. So you type target blank. Okay, so this part right here, watch. Okay, here we open our project. Now it will open an external website in the new tab. But what if you want to open like, you want to open like your HTML web page. Okay, so here we create new. So this will be your second web page. Just name it whatever you want, but without space. About me. HTML. Okay. Rename the title to About Me. So go back to your index.html. Huh? There we go. I'm suffering a confusion. Okay, let's put a line breaker tag and this is your web page. So about me. So just type about me.html. That indicates like okay, you save it. In the about me, don't forget you add a return link. So a index.html, save it. Okay, let's run our project. Index.html. Not enough space. Hold on. There we go. Yeah. See this? This is blank, but if you look closely, this is the title, About Me. So yeah, About Me. This is why naming is important. I just made a mistake. See, return, go back, return, go back. And you can do this with multiple web pages. But if you just wanted to open your web page, you don't have to add like, for example, target. You don't have to add this. Like you don't want your visitor to make a mess. If you just wanted to open your web page, then you don't have to add the target code. Okay, so that is it for now, guys. I hope this tutorial really helps. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, and comment. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.